Hello, I'm George, and I'm excited to explore the secret science of towels you won't believe. A towel is a piece of absorbent cloth or paper used for drying or wiping a surface. Towels draw moisture through direct contact. Bathing towels and hand towels are usually made of cotton, linen, bamboo, and synthetic microfibers. In households, several types of towels are used, such as hand towels, bath towels, and kitchen towels. Paper towels are provided in commercial or office bathrooms via dispenser for users to dry their hands. They are also used for such duties such as wiping, cleaning, and drying. Let's delve into the fascinating history of towels and how they've evolved over centuries. According to Middle Ages archaeological studies, closely held personal items included the ever-present knife and a towel. However, the invention of the towel is commonly associated with the city of Bursa, Turkey, in the 17th century. These Turkish towels began as a flat, woven piece of cotton or linen called a peştemal, often hand-embroidered. Long enough to wrap around the body, peştemal were originally fairly narrow, but are now wider and commonly measure 90x. Peştemal were used in Turkish baths as they stayed light when wet and were very absorbent. As the Ottoman Empire grew, so did the use of the towel. Weavers were asked to embroider more elaborate designs, aided by their knowledge of carpet weaving. By the 18th century, towels began to feature loops sticking up from the pile of the material. These looped towels became known as havli. Over time, this word has changed to havlu, the Turkish word for towel, and means with loops. Towels did not become affordable until the 19th century, with the cotton trade and industrialization. With mechanization, cotton terry toweling became available by the yard, as well as being stocked in shops as pre-made towels. Today, towels come in a variety of sizes, materials, and designs. Towels are surprisingly complex, and now we'll explore the different types. A bath towel is used for drying the body when it is wet, such as after bathing or showering. It is typically rectangular, with a typical size around 30x, and is made of terry cloth. A beach towel is usually somewhat larger than a bath towel and often has a colorful pattern. Although often used for drying off after being in the water, its main purpose is to provide a surface on which to lay down. They are also worn for privacy while changing clothes in a public area and for wiping sand from the body or objects. A bath sheet or sheet towel is larger than a bath towel. The classic bath sheet size is 80 times 160 centimeters. A large bath sheet that can wrap the entire body is 100 times 150 centimeters or 90 times 160 centimeters. They are used after bathing, in saunas, on beaches, and for massage. A foot towel is a small, rectangular towel that, in the absence of a rug, carpet, or bathroom mat, is placed on the bathroom floor to stand on after finishing a shower or bath. A hand towel is significantly smaller than a bath towel, perhaps 12x, and is used for drying the hands after washing them. An oven towel or confectioner's mitten is a multi-purpose household towel used for kitchen or shop applications. A paper towel is a piece of paper that can be used once as a towel and then be disposed of. A perforated roll of paper towels is usually mounted on a rod slightly longer than the width of the roll, or in an alternative type of hanger that has protrusions on ears, the protrusions fitting into the ends of the paper towel roll. Paper towels might also be packaged as facial tissues are, as individual folded sheets. A disposable towel, or non-woven towel, is a towel intended for a single user, but not necessarily for a single use, as it can be reused but not washed. It is often made of non-woven fibers and often is used in hospitals, hotels, geriatric and salon or beauty settings for their hygienic properties. A show towel is a bath or hand towel with a trim, such as satin, lace or linen stitched onto it, or embroidery done on it, mostly for visual appeal. These types of towels are used to add a decorative touch, most commonly in the United States. They are generally not to be used for drying, as regular washing ruins the added trim, and the towels usually shrink differently than the trim. A sports towel is a synthetic or semi-synthetic towel originally developed for swimmers and divers, favored for its super absorbent qualities. Sports towels can be wrung out when saturated, leaving the towel able to absorb water again, though not dry. These qualities, along with their compact nature, have further popularized sports towels among general outdoor and athletic enthusiasts. The absorbent material in sports towels may be composed of viscose, PVA or microfiber, with polyester woven in for durability. Some manufacturers incorporate a silver ion or compound treatment into their towels to better inhibit microbial growth and associated odors. The term kitchen towel refers to a dish towel in American English, called a tea towel in UK and Canadian English, and to a paper towel in British English. A tea towel or tea cloth, UK and Canadian English, called dish towel or dish towel in America, is an absorbent towel made from soft, lint-free linen. They are used in the kitchen to dry dishes, cutlery, and so on after they are washed. The towels are also used during tea time. They can be wrapped around the teapot to keep the tea warm, prevent drips, and keep one's hand from being burned by the hot teapot handle when serving the tea. They are commonly made of cotton rather than linen. They are also used for drying glassware, but sometimes a special glass cloth is used for that purpose. Tea towels originated in 18th century England. A tenyugui is a variety of hand towel that originates from Japan. It is most often used in the same way as a tea towel or flannel, washcloth, but can also be used for decoration, as a headband, or for wrapping bottles and other items to be given as gifts. A cloth towel dispenser, or continuous cloth towel, is a towel manipulated by a series of rollers, used as an alternative to paper towels and hand dryers in public washrooms. These may have a lower environmental impact than paper towels, though concerns over hygiene mean they are not used by some organizations and have greatly declined in popularity. A bar towel is an absorbent, usually small towel used in bars and often given away free as promotional items. A fingertip towel or finger towel is a small towel that is folded and placed next to the sink or in the guest bedroom. Hosts often pin a note to these towels indicating that they are for guest use. A golf towel is a small towel which usually comes with a loop or clip to attach to a golf bag for drying hands, golf balls, and clubs. A baby towel is a smaller towel with an extra sewn-on hood at one corner to cover a baby's head. A peshtemul or pestemul is a unique multi-purpose towel from Anatolia. A poncha towel is a wearable towel made for drying off and changing, often used poolside, at the beach or after swimming. A fouta towel is a Tunisian hammam and beach towel, which is also used as a paero. In Douglas Adams' book The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, there is an in-world emphasis on towels and their importance to hitchhikers, because if a hitchhiker has a towel, it can be inferred by a non-hitchhiker that they also have a toothbrush, soap, washcloth, raincoat, and related things, and would be happy to lend the hitchhiker any of those items if they have lost them. Surprisingly, towels hold a fascinating secret science that you won't believe.